Today we are redecorating Danny's room. So our first stop is IKEA.
How?
Obviously because of like social distancing and stuff like that, they couldn't let a lot of people in the shop at one time, and we thought it's already been open for a week. So we thought that it would be quiet today, but it's not.
It's just not. Oh my.
Oh no. It's also raining and we don't have jackets.
I think it's because all the other shops are opening.
Yeah, today's also the day that like all the other shops, I'm pretty sure here, open. So, oh god. We also went to another home shop yesterday and got some bedding, so I'll show you that later. And then I think we're also going to go to another one after IKEA. And then we're going to go to Danny's flat and redecorate. Oh my god, look at me, Danny. Okay, my hair is such a mess already, but we got out of the car and saw the size of the queue, and we've now decided that we're going to wait a while and we're maybe going to get food. The only place really nearby is McDonald's, but I don't want a McDonald's. I bet no one thought they would ever hear me say that. Oh, there's a lady in this. My curls have all come out from literally standing outside for like 2 minutes. I'm also definitely not dressed for the weather. It's literally like 12 degrees and I'm wearing a dress. So there's so many people running about the car right now.
Well, there's a Sainsbury's across the road.
Oh yeah.
No, we go there.
Yeah, let's go to Sainsbury's. There is the end of the queue. There's IKEA.
It doubles back on itself.
Yeah, no thanks. I'm sorry that this whole vlog so far is just us sitting in the car. I did try and film in Sainsbury's, but I didn't have enough hands. But
No,
we just
you were
went.
scared.
No, I wasn't.
Yeah, you were.
No, I wasn't.
You had enough hands.
But we just got a meal deal, so I'll show you what I got. I got this chicken pasta. I feel as though all these things are always so bad though.
I don't
Like,
know why
you know, the cold
it.
pastas. I just wasn't feeling a sandwich. Then I got an apple juice, and I also got these, which I've never tried before, but recently I've been watching like all of Ellie Darby's videos and she always has them, so I was like, maybe I'll give them a go. Also, something really embarrassing actually happened to us before we went to Sainsbury's. So we thought, basically we're in this like area, what would you call this?
Retail park.
We're in a retail park. So they have all these shops like over there, and we went to them yesterday, but there was only like a couple open. But they had Laura Ashley, and it had a big sale because I'm pretty sure it's closing down or something, I don't know. So we went over to it and we thought that the queue was really small, so we stood in the queue, and then it turned out that we were actually like in the middle of the queue and completely cut in front of everyone. It was really embarrassing, so then we decided that we were too embarrassed to go in, so we left. Also, I don't understand why Laura Ashley was so busy, seeing as though it is closing down, and I bet nobody ever went before.
Yeah, there's a big fat sales on.
I reckon people just like want to go to shops because they're open now.
You made an error coming today.
Yeah, we did. We should have come yesterday. So we are gonna eat our food and then we're gonna attempt IKEA again, right? Also, I put a jumper on. My outfit's not ruined, but
I don't know why you got it.
I just didn't want a sandwich.
I don't think I'll like this, so I'll get it. Guess what? I don't like it.
I don't taste okay, it's just cold. Okay, so we're in the queue and it's actually longer now than it was before, so that is just absolutely amazing. My guess is that it's going to take us half an hour. Danny says 40 minutes, so we'll keep you updated. We have made it. It took us exactly 30 minutes on the dot.
Yep, you did well, Gwen.
And we just hand sanitized. It smells like alcohol. Don't know what kind.
It smells like bread again.
We actually are here for a specific thing. We're here to get a wardrobe.
Is that Mr. IKEA?
Do you not think that's a bit weird that they have like photographs with real people in it?
Yeah.
Bit odd. Also, we do have masks with us.
Should we put them on?
So we are being safe. I think we maybe should.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice one. This section is so sweaty from the mask. We're literally the only people wearing masks in here, which is kind of weird. But we have not got to the wardrobe bit yet, but we found some other things, which I'll show you. I don't really want to spoil everything because I'm going to do a haul when we get back. We're also kind of looking for bedside tables and just other things to like decorate with. So, fun. Are you enjoying yourself?
Yeah.
I've decided I really like all of the really dark rooms, so I think when I'm older I'm just going to paint our whole house black. This is the wardrobe that I was looking at online. What have you got? It's pretty spacious. What are you thinking? It's the cheapest one they've got, I'm pretty sure, so should I get some boxes like they have at the bottom? I wonder if the shelves come with them. I presume it does. Well, oh yes, just get 5 of those. We're actually, sorry, I keep trying to talk with my mask on, it's just not working. Also, I'm pretty sure I've like sweat off all my makeup there, so that's
lovely.
great. We're in the kids bit right now actually because This is actually really sad. Danny's cat's quite old and she can't jump onto the worktop herself, so we have to give her a step.
Yeah, our food has to go on the worktop because the dog would eat it if it was on the ground. So now she can't jump up on the worktop.
That's so sad. Sorry, Tessa. So trying to find
her name
a
is
kid's
Tessa.
step for...
My full name is Teresa.
You said that in another vlog and it turned out you were lying, so actually I don't think you want to come across as a liar in the video, do you? We found a bedside table that we really want that was only £20, but it's out of stock.
Yeah, that is really nice.
Yeah, isn't it?
Must because
we
it's
could
that
order
cheap.
it, but like, can't really be bothered doing that. I'm trying.
So you can see the island.
Come now.
Okay, let's spend some money. It's gonna have to go on its side.
Oh god, that's a bit heavy. I can't, it's not moving.
Shove. I need to go and put the trolley back.
Okay.
Sweet.
Ow, my head! Okay, we're back now. I'm going to give you a quick haul. So yesterday we bought new bedding. So this is white. I'm not going to lie, I don't love this bedding. Danny chose it, but he preferred this one to the one that I preferred, and it is his room, so I said that he should just get this one. It's just this white bedding. It's got stripes. It's the stripes I don't like. I don't know why. I just don't really like stripes, but we got that and I'm sure it'll be nice. And then we also got these two pillows to go on top, like as decoration. I know we got white as well, but we just thought that maybe white on white might look nice. But now I'm looking at it, I think these are cream and that's white, but I'm sure it'll be fine. We also obviously bought the wardrobe, which I already showed you, and we also bought a new chair for Danny's desk. This is a kid's chair, but we tried it out and it seems to be the right size for us. That's all we bought. It doesn't look like very much, but we are gonna like move some things about and stuff like that as well. Oh, also I brought this mirror back from my flat as well. Here's a before the room. It's quite messy right now, but we have that wardrobe there, which I think we're gonna move somewhere so that the other wardrobe can go next to it. And then the bed, there's Danny. And this is all we've got. Also, if anyone's confused, I'm sure no one's actually that invested in this, but this is Danny's room at his flat, and I'm not actually moving in here next year, but we just wanted to redo it for fun.
For fun?
Yes, because it's fun. What do you
Fun
mean?
for you, I can't be asked.
Sure.
Yes. Oh.
Well, I am so sorry about that. I was going to ruin my time lapse.
What a good time, that Jules.
I'm going to start building that chair while Danny starts in the wardrobe, which I think is going to take us
a while. Wasn't it?
Are you able to help me please? How do I get these wheels on? Done something wrong.
Nice. Saving money. Buy kid stuff. also see how shite and squint the old one. And look at it.
That took us so long. Also, the door handles are on the wrong way, but it's fine. Just finished. There's still a couple things to do, but we're really tired and really hungry right now. So we changed the bedding. It looks so comfy and cozy. We got a new chest of drawers. We actually just stole it from the hall. Then we've got our wardrobe, and we moved about this stuff so that the mirror was here. And we got a new chair.
IKEA kids.
So obviously it's not completely like tidied out yet, but this is what we're gonna do so far. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If I have any more updates, then I'll maybe show them in a vlog or something. But yeah, we hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Well, this lighting is awful.